couple of weeks ago, parang I heard that there were some, I don't know, government officials siguro wanting to meet with you. Tama po ba? Did it ever materialize? Was it ever taken up dito po on the Street of Benay? Tapos kung ano po ba yung, ano yung pwedeng pag-usapan ng pwede development? Thank you po.
First of all, wala pa akong government official na nakausap so far.
Wala pong request for meeting?
There were requests, pero because of my schedule, napakahirap isingit ang mga schedule na ito. So, yeah, pero sa katotohanan, from the time I assumed the office, is from December 1 until this time, wala pa akong nakausap na government official, particularly on issues related to our society.
Sorry lang po. Tatanong lang po kung ano ba kaya naman nagpahapyaw sila kung ano yung topics na gusto na pag-usapan ninyo?
So far, wala kami pinag-usapan anything related to the government in view of during our meeting.
Pero open sir kayo makapag-meeting po sa kanila?
Of course, yeah.
Okay.
Archbishop, follow up lang po. Local level government, national official po yun, di ba?
Sila.
Actually, hindi naman talagang direktahan sa akin eh. Actually, I don't receive. It's the CBCP secretariat and also my secretariat in DIPA. Pero as to who are they, third party na direct, third party, pwede ba, may oras ba siya, mga gano'n. Pero yung direct lang, kung sino man siya, ilan sila, wala pa talagang direct na talagang naka-schedule ba yun? Naka-schedule.
Okay, if there are no more questions.
Archbishop, how do you view yung magiging relationship po ng CBCP with the current government under your administration?
Yun ang mahalaga ang communication at nag-uusap. Mahalaga yun. Because kung yung nag-uusap, napakahirap. So I think we are open to a dialogue. So, remember dialogue, that monologue, dialogue. We're in what's the best, what is good for the Philippines. I think is a key point there in dealing with our government officials. We are open because kinakailangan, just like you as communicators, kinakailangan may pinag-uusapan at the word is dialogue, in humility.
Ako naman, kung tanungin ninyo, volunteer na lang ako. When I was Caritas Philippines President, hindi ko na mabilang kung ilang government officials ang nakausap ko at nakipag-audience sa akin. In other words, katulad ng sinabi ni Archbishop, ang CBCP, ang mga obispo, open makipag-dialogue, open makipag-usap. After all, we are serving isang tao lang naman ating citizen usual, ang ating sambayanan.